birthday, Tanner and Tyler.
Happy birthday, Tanner! We love you from Team Maynard! Yay!
Hi Tanner, on behalf of Team Maynard Kutob International and Pinas team, I would like to greet you a happy birthday, as well as to your twin a happy birthday as well. May God bless you always. Stay humble, stay kind. Team Maynard is always here to support you anytime, and we're always here for you. We love you!